Magandang hapon, Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin sa Facebook at YouTube, sa lahat ng nakikinig sa DZWB, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, this is your show. Maraming salamat. Ipinagdiriwang pa rin po natin ang ating 3rd anniversary ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Again, maraming salamat for making this happen. Exciting afternoon. I am doing the first studio interview of my very special guest. He is the son of my very good friends, certified royalty of Philippine show business. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome the very handsome, the very talented, Andres Mulat. Maraming salamat, Andres.
Yes, Tito Boy.
Wow,
Galing.
I'm excited. Hindi ko alam na ito ang una mong studio interview.
Kaya nga,
You've been
first
doing a lot of
time.
press conferences, but thank you for granting us this interview.
Yes, of course. Thank you for having me din. Ayun nga, this is the 3rd anniversary, right?
Yes.
So it's really an honor to be here, Tito
Of
Boy.
course. Kasi hindi ko makuha ang nanay at tatay mo eh. Ako'y nananawagan po kay Charlene Gonzalez at kay Aga Mulak. Alam niyo, nakikita ko po si Andres, patak-patak po sa may dressing room namin.
Yes.
I mean, you were this tall, you were 6, 7, 8 years old, and I'm just so proud of what you have become. I've been reading
Thank you,
about
Tito
you,
Boy.
Especially yung bagets na inyong proyekto, and you just make your titos like me proud.
Thank you, Tito Boy. Thank you so much. Of course, I'm trying to make you proud din, you know.
Salamat,
Thank you so
salamat.
much.
Sabi ko
Yan.
sa kanya kanina bago mag-umpisa ang show, tito mo talaga ako ha?
Kaya
Hindi
nga.
tito-tituhan, tito.
nga.
But Andres, first time sa
Yes,
GMA?
yes. First time ko in GMA and ayun, first time ko mag-interview studio. So this is really like a full circle moment, mas lalo na, you know, you're the one interviewing me.
Means a lot to us. Alam mo ba, mami mo, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, co-hosted with Kuya Germs. Tama ba ko, Cecil? Kuya Germs show, am I right? Charlene. Charlene co-hosted with Kuya Germs.
Yes.
Diba? And I'm sure Aga have worked with a lot of people here sa GMA7. You have friends here.
Yes, I do actually. I have a couple of friends that I've gotten the chance to work with. Like si Jeff Moses, Bagets, isa yun. Si David, likaw ko, isang friend ko ba din yun?
Mayaman yun. Oo, si David Licauco, yeah.
Yeah, isa mga friend
I had
ko
a
yan.
conversation with him and, you know, we talked about his wealth. Joke lang, David. So, you know, David,
Yes.
nice guy.
Yeah.
Kumusta ka bilang kaibigan?
Ako
Andres?
naman parang mabait naman, I'm a happy friend, I guess.
I think you are.
Supportive talaga for a lot of the other people that I work with. I'm very supportive with, you know, their mga endeavors and their work and their businesses. So, yeah.
Paano ka bilang kaibigan? Kayo ba yung nakikita-kita kayo pag weekends, you go to bars, or pinapayagan ka ba ng mom and dad?
Ako, mas stay in talaga ako in terms of like kung may mga lakwatsa ganun, mas stay in talaga ako and rest kasi may daming work eh, so kailangan
You like
talaga
staying in the
magpahinga.
house?
Oo, I like
But you
staying in
can't
the house.
complain?
I can't. No, not that I'm complaining, but I love being at home and I love being with my family talaga.
Totoo yun.
Yeah,
Mulat-mula nung mga bata kayo.
Oo.
You know, there were times, I don't know if Charlene and Aga would remember this, tatawag ako, either sa mamo or dad, and they would say, "Nasaan ka? Nasaan kayo, Charlene? We're in the boat."
Yun, yes, always.
Kasi, di ba, you love the sea
Yes, we
as a
love the
family.
beach. Oh, talagang we love going to the beach in our free time kapag may free sked kami and if we're complete, we love always going to the beach together.
At saka you enjoy each other's company, di ba?
Yes. We're really
That's the thing
big
about
on
your family.
talaga. Oh.
Pero, Andres, ngayon sa buhay mo, you're starting to realize a lot of things. You're starting to get exposed to itong ating mundo, yung mundo na ginalawa ng iyong mga magulang. Nasasanay ka ng sabihang, iba-iba eh, you know, ang gwapo mo. Or, sino bang mas gwapo? Ikaw ang tatay mo.
Tatay ko talaga.
Talaga?
OG yan talaga.
Wow.
Agamulak pa yan, come on.
Oo,
OG
okay.
yun.
Naku, pumapalakpak yan ngayon. But he's very shy.
Dad, oh.
No, but your dad is guwapo inside and out. Pero
Yes,
naririnig mo yan. Naririnig mo yan. Are you comfortable with being described as, you know, initially as guwapo?
I'm okay with it naman, Tito Boy. Para sa akin, it's very flattering. I would never say naman na, oh, gwapo ako, ganun.
Yeah.
Never ko na-feel na ganun. Pero pag narinig ko naman, I'm like, oh, thank you so much. Na-appreciate ko talaga.
Si mom at dad mo, ano sila sabi nila? Kamukha kanino?
Oh, come to the boy. What do you think?
Charlene.
Charlene?
Yeah.
Edi, Charlene, ma'am.
Merong aga here and there, but
May mga
kung magagalit sa akin, ha? Ikaw, palagay mo?
Ako, I'd like to say both.
Both.
I'd like to say both. I think I have very similar features from my mom's side, and I have very similar features din from my dad.
Okay. Paano kayo pinalaki ni Atasha?
Wala, parang they just raised us for who we are, and they raised us in a way na parang just be yourself always and be nice. Yun lang talaga yun.
Napalo kayo?
Sorry. Oh. Well, when we were younger, syempre, pag nagagalit sila, that's normal naman, I believe, in all families. Kasi kailangan talaga ng discipline, di ba? That's how you learn. And, ayun, parang, just a normal way of raising your kids.
Kadalasan, ano yung kasalanan ninyong magkapatid?
Kami, kung iisipin ko talaga, wala din.
Wala kang maisip.
Di naman sila nagagalit sa amin.
Sino ang
kasi-
kaugali mo? Mom or dad?
Pwede ko sabihin both?
Both?
Both.
Bakit
Talaga.
both?
Both.
Anong ugali ng mom, anong ugali ng dad?
Kasi I see the caringness of my mom.
Okay.
Is definitely there. And then I also see the energetic or the lively side of my dad and feeling ko. I think I emulate that in a way. And also, just they're both very, genuine people, and I'd like to think talaga that they raised us to be just like that, just as genuine.
Before your showbiz career, syempre, di ba, teenager ka, nakikialam sila sa love life mo. Papayagan ako itong magtanong, Tito Boy naman to eh.
Tito Boy, oo naman. Syempre, they don't really like, of course, they give us advice tungkol sa love life, ganun, pero they're never controlling about it.
Have you brought a potential girlfriend or a girlfriend home
Di pa.
to introduce? Hindi pa.
Not yet.
And if you do that, seryoso na talaga yun.
Oo, siguro.
Ano ang madalas ipaalala lalo na ng tatay mo sa'yo, pagdating sa love, sa pag-ibig?
The biggest thing talaga is just be yourself.
Just
Yun
be
talaga ang
yourself.
sinasabi niya sa akin. Alimbawa, when it comes to relationships, ganun, you don't want to be that type of you don't want to be pretending to be someone you're not, of course. You want to just be yourself, really. And if she likes you for who you are, then yun, di ba?
Easier said than done, but that's for another discussion.
Yes, yeah. That's a longer discussion pa yan. When
Oo.
the time
Pero
comes.
wala bang mga tips, halimbawa, mga paalala ang dad na, ikaw, Andres, pag nanligaw ka, ganito ha, may mga sinasabi ang dad? Wala.
May mga tips.
Meron.
Pag sa ligaw, secret na yan. Tito
Sige
Boy.
na, ito
Secret
naman.
na yan.
Bahagya
So,
lang.
Style ng tatay ko yan. So, hindi ko
Pero,
pwede sabihin.
talaga?
Oo.
Pero papyaw lang. Papyaw. Hindi na alam ko ng papyaw. No, just an idea of, how he gives you pieces of advice.
Ito, generalize ko na lang.
Yeah, okay.
Yung advice niya sa akin is thoughtfulness. Yun talaga yun, na parang being able to think of the person that you like without even them having to parang remind you. Parang yun. Like, I think that's the biggest tip in terms of,
May initiative.
yeah, thoughtfulness talaga.
Oh, pero alam mo yung kwento na hindi talaga nagligawan ang nanay at tatay mo.
Oh, I know the full story.
You know the
Alam
full
ko yung full story
Of
talaga.
course.
Yes.
Pero you know that. Na, they knew that they were going to marry each other.
Yes.
Ganda, no?
Ang ganda, beautiful talaga. And kahit kami ni Tash, when we hear that story over and over again, we get kilig. Always we're like, ang ganda ng story.
I even
talaga.
remember going to Baguio, to the church,
Yes,
for the
yes.
wedding of your parents, and lovely people.
Yeah.
Kayo ni Natasha, anong dynamics? Nag-aaway ba kayo? Meron ba kayong, rivalry? Is there a twin thing between the two of you?
Me and Tash is like, parang si Tash, best friend ko talaga si Tash. Kahit lahat ng mga problema ko, or lahat ng mga scenarios, or lahat ng mga challenges na na-face ko, she's always the person that
Katulad,
I like to go to.
Andres, hindi kita maisipan na may problema.
Halimbawa, challenges sa work, ganun. Kapag
okay.
may work na syempre kinakabahan ako, ganun, I talk to my sister and we always like to parang level with each other in the sense na, ganito yun, ganyan. And we like to compare and give advice to each other. And we're really very close talaga.
Yeah, do you have this twin thing na pag may tell us a story?
Ako feeling ko may twin telepathy kami talaga.
Meron?
Yeah, feeling ko that's a real thing. Especially kami ni Tash, since we're so close, minsan, halimbawa kung nasa event kami or kung nasa dinner kami, if we hear something or something happens, parang we can look at each other.
At nagkakaintindihan
And then,
na kayo?
Yun.
Okay.
Like ganun. Parang, I don't know how to explain it, but
Right.
really, like sometimes we'll just look at each other and you're like, Gets.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pero yung mga girls, halimbawa na nagugustuhan mo, do they have to be approved by Atasha?
Yeah, I think so.
Kailangan.
I think my
And
whole,
vice versa.
Yeah, dapat ganun talaga. And-
Protective brother.
yeah, definitely. And I
Uh-huh.
also feel like parang as a brother and as a son, you'd want to bring you want to bring home someone that would be accepted, right?
Right.
To your family and
Oh, not just by mom and dad, but you have Atasha
Yes,
there.
yeah.
Diretsang tanong, nagka-girlfriend ka na?
Di pa, Tito Boy.
Hindi pa. Okay. But that's by choice.
Um,
Walang pumipigil.
That's by choice naman, yeah. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi right now, with the way everything has happened, mas lalo with work and everything, parang I've been so busy these last few years.
Pero nanligaw ka na. Sumubo ka na.
In the past, I have naman. I can't lie and say that I have not. Pero
Uh-huh. But it didn't get into a point na naging kayo talaga.
hindi pa.
Oo. Alam mo, habang kinakausap kita, mas lalo kang gumagwapo.
Talaga, Vic?
Oo. Nakakatuwa. Para akong may anak na. Nakaka-proud. Totoo.
Talaga?
You
Thank you,
grown people. You know, we've been talking about you. Hindi mo lang alam. In whispers. And everybody's saying, like, Chang Susan, gwapo-gwapo niya.
Thank you po. Nakakatuwa po talaga yun.
Nakakatuwa, no?
Yeah.
And you are so unaffected, Andres. And I'm just so glad of the way Charlene and Aga raised you. I'm just so proud of you and of them. Dapat nandito ngayong dalawang yun para mas mahaba ang kwentuhan.
They should. Pero they're watching right now.
I
so,
know.
Mom, Dad,
Cha
hello.
and Aga, nandito kami. No, ito na lang. Nung pumasok kayo sa showbiz, finally you decided to get into the business. Ano yun? Kayo lang ang may gusto? Or what happened? What is the story?
Well, para sa akin naman, feeling ko from a very young age, I really wanted to do
You
this. Parang
did?
may ganun talaga sa utak ko. Kasi baka naman kasi parang growing up, diba, being exposed to everything, going to the buzz, diba?
I know.
The earlier days, picking up my mom sa the buzz, going to yung mga shooting ni dad, yung mga sets niya, yung mga ganun. Parang we were exposed to it. And then may mga commercials din. So parang naging interested din ako through time. Pero in a way, I was also like in denial.
Okay.
In denial
In
din.
denial dahil?
Parang iniisip ko na parang, do I really want to do that ba? Or is it because I'm being exposed to it? Ganun.
Andres, meron bang takot? Meron bang pressure na ang hirap yata to be in the beautiful shadow of your dad, for example, and of your mom?
Pressure? I wouldn't say there's pressure naman. Para sa akin, it's more on the fact that, ito nga yun, even if before we go to pressure, para sa akin, before Aga Mulak was the actor, or before Charlene Mulak Gonzalez was who they were talagang, they were just my mom and my dad.
Right.
I mean, they're my parents. So, and the way I see it is like, the pressure of the surname, I'm sure there is that, but I try not to look at it like that, really,
And that's the best way to do it.
Yeah, and I just want to do good work talaga. Yun, Tito Boy.
Tama.
I'm still learning. I'm very new to this industry. I need to learn a lot of things. I mean, ko yun talaga. And, I'm just enjoying the process of learning all of these things now and getting accustomed to what it's like talaga.
Ano ang kanilang paalala sa'yo? Ngayon na nasa industriya na kayo. Pagdating, halimbawa, sa trabaho, pagdating sa mga intriga na nakadikit sa ating trabaho, anong parating sinasabi ng mom and dad?
Alam mo, yung advice na talaga, Tito Boy, is always, just be nice. Yun talaga yung una. Be nice. Pangalawa, be yourself. Yun yung importante talaga. At third, pangatlo, have fun.
Oh,
Enjoy the process.
Ganda.
Kasi parang, if you're, doing a job that you dislike, if you don't really like what you're doing, makikita naman talaga yun, di ba? You really have
Right.
to give, whenever you do any of your work, you have to give it your whole heart. You have to really enjoy what you're doing. Kasi when you enjoy what you're doing, the people see that Diba? Like they say,
Right.
okay, maganda talaga, And if you really enjoy your work, parang what you can receive from it is great talaga, I believe.
Sino ang mas maraming pera? Ikaw si Atasha.
Answer ko ba yun talaga? Secret.
A secret. I will respect that. Gusto ko yun. Let's do fast talk.
Okay, let's do it.
Andres!
I made it. Fast talk.
Let's do
Dito na
fast
ako.
talk. Cha, Aga, I truly, truly miss you. Okay, bagets, Gen Z.
Bagets.
Bagets, forgets.
Bagets.
Growing up, just got lucky.
Ooh.
Oh.
Growing up.
Heartthrob,
Yeah, growing up.
heartthrob, heartbreaker.
Heartthrob.
Leading man, crush ng bayan.
Leading man.
Kuripot, galante.
Kuripot.
Teleserye, stage play.
Oh. Pwede both.
Complete the sentence. I feel pogi kapag.
Pag bagong ligo ako,
I feel sexy kapag.
di ko na feel na sexy ako.
Lagot ako kay daddy kapag.
Kapag puyat ako,
Lagot ako kay mommy kapag.
pag di ako kumakain.
Lagot ako kay Atasha kapag.
Kapag di ko sinasabi,
Your best asset.
best asset, my personality.
Your worst habit.
My worst habit, lack of sleep.
1 to 10, gaano ka kagwapo?
Like a 5.
1 to 10, gaano ka kabado ngayon?
Like a 5 din.
1 to 10, gaano ka ka-in love ngayon?
Like, oh.
I like the
Oh! In love? In love with work? 10.
Okay.
In love with work? 10.
I'll give it to you, Andres. High tide, low tide.
Oh! Charlene Mulak Gonzalez. High tide.
Lights on or lights off?
If there's light. I don't know.
Happiness or chocolates? I feel weird asking you this question.
Chips.
I'm sorry.
Chips. Potato chips.
Best time for potato chips.
Every night.
I am Andres Mulak and I am...
And I am on Fast Talk with Tito Boy!
Ilang mga katanungan, Andres. Number 1, sino bang stage parent? Si mommy ba o si daddy? Mamaya ang sagot. Pangalawa, halimbawa, Andres, if you were to rank Atasha, Aga, Charlene, at saka ikaw, rank the 4 of you, 1 being the best. Who is the best dancer in the Mulak family?
Best dancer?
Yes, at sasayaw tayo maya-maya lamang. Ang mga kasagutan po sa pagbabalik ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. We're back to the show. Kasama po natin Andres Mulak. Magpasalamat tayo, Andres. Maraming nanonood sa atin sa we are live, we are streamed live actually.
ayun na.
YouTube, Facebook. Ang cute mo raw, ang gwapo mo raw.
Thank you guys. First time ko mag-live live interview sa studio, so maraming salamat sa pagtunan niyo. Thank you so much.
No, I wanted to ask you this kasi sino bang stage parent? Mom or dad?
Neither.
Wala talaga?
Wala talaga.
Pero ito so cute. Noong in-offer ka maging Addy sa Bagets the Musical, kinabahan ka ba? Na-excited ka ba? What was the feeling?
Para sa akin, syempre sa una talagang I got nervous. Kinabahan talaga ako. Kasi di ko naman ma-imagine na, ay naku po, magla-live ako, live singing, live performance, live dance, live acting. I never imagined it. And as far as my parents naman, they've been super supportive.
They were there in the opening night.
Yes,
Dapat
they
umiiyak.
were grabe. They were
Diba?
super supportive. And kahit ako, grabe yung iyak ko sa opening night.
Nakita ko nung umakyat ang dad mo.
yes.
And then, how was that feeling? Nung umakyat sa stage and hugged you and tingnan mo, there.
Ayun, yun. Yeah, grabe yun. Parang umiyak talaga ako. Kasi it wasn't really, it was a lot of things really. Firstly, it was of course the months of preparation, the rehearsals every day. At di lang yan kasi, Tito Boy, medyo nahirapan din ako nung nag-rehearse kami ng Bagets because sumasabay yung shooting ko sa ibang series.
Oh.
So on my off days, I was doing rehearsal and then really there was no time to breathe.
I saw some snippets of the musical. Napaka-komportable mo. You have that kind of balance, when you're running, walking on stage.
Thank you.
Ang sarap panoorin.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Kailan namin mapapanood yan? It's still running, right?
Yes, it's still running in Newport Resorts World in the theaters. So that will be running until March.
Okay, so makahabol pa natin.
Yes,
sa
please.
lahat ng mga hindi pa nakakasilip sa Bagets,
Yes.
panoorin natin.
Yes.
Sinong pinakamahusay na dancer sa inyo?
Oh. Sabihin ko, wait, sa Bagets or sa family?
Overall. I mean, your
Sa
mom is
family
a
ko?
fantastic dancer. Dad
Tatay
is...
ko talaga.
Tatay mo.
Original.
Subukan nga natin. Turuan mo ako sumayaw.
Okay, paano kaya?
Okay.
Anong gagawin natin? Sa Bagets, ito, super simple.
Okay.
Super simple. Okay, ganito lang yan.
Just got love.
I-raise
Okay.
mo yung right hand mo.
Everybody in the studio, come on!
Sabayan niyo ako.
Okay.
Ganito lang yan. Ready? Just shake like this. And to the right. Yeah. Wow, guys. Wow, Tito Boy.
Maraming salamat.
Tito Boy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank you
very
so
much. Maraming salamat. Tay, Kapuso, salamat po sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin sa inyong mga tahanan at puso araw-araw. Be kind, make your nanay proud, and say thank you. Thank you, Cha. Thank you, Aga. I love you. Tita LV, maraming salamat. And Jess at Tasha, you take care of yourselves. Tomorrow, makakasama po natin Ann Curtis sa pagpapatuloy po ng ating 3rd anniversary celebration. Goodbye for now. God bless. And Jess Mula!